My name is Amy Hunter, and I was born in 1977 with a congenital heart abnormality called Ebstein's malformation of the tricuspid valve. And as soon as I was born, they knew something was very wrong. They finally let me go home. There was no medicine, there was no surgery invented. They just said, treat her like anybody else, and I did. I grew up very normal. You know, I went to work very early on the ranch, tried to work as hard as everybody else. When I was 13, and I had my surgery, my first surgery, January 4th, 1990. My mom, the first thing she remembers when she came into the ICU is, she says, "Amy, you're pink." You know, all growing up, I was blue. You know, when your heart's not working correctly or properly, you can't do anything. I mean, it handicaps you, it handicaps everything. I actually went into 3 abnormal rhythms in 2009 in the summer, from May to the very 1st of August. And all 3 times, Intermountain Medical Center, the doctors out there were amazing. My doctor, Dr. Day, came in on his day off, did my procedure for me in the cath lab, and released me actually that day. I was able to go home that night. It's a huge sigh of relief when I walk through those doors, because I know that those boys are doing the right thing. You know, I know that those doctors know how to treat me and know how to take care of me. I've worked in the medical field for 15 years. I am a registered nurse. I know what quality patient care is all about. I've given it, and I've also received it. So I know when there's a great nursing staff and great doctors around. I know what it should feel like to receive, high quality care. You know, whether it just be a follow-up visit in the clinic or whether it be in the cath lab having a procedure, an ablation, a life-saving treatment. I always felt as though they were watching out for me. You know, it's a very physical, a very competitive world, rodeo is. It's a competitive sport. When you're on a 1,200-pound animal and you're running as fast as that animal can do, and you do 360-degree turns within 14 seconds, you better be able to sit up and ride. You know, you have to be at your peak as far as your physical condition. If my doctors had not been able to correct my heart, I couldn't do it.